नाजूक आहे का रे?
The next
म्हणजे
part of
मी
the lesson, or say the chapter, is temperature. Okay, so what is temperature? The degree of hotness or coldness of a body or a place is termed as temperature. Okay, it is just an indication of amount of heat present in the body. Now, one of the crudest way to measure this sensation is by our sense of touch, but it can be sometimes be misleading. So the term hot and cold are or say it's relative terms. Okay, so here is an activity on the page, on your page number 46 of the textbook, where you're proving that the hotness and coolness are relative terms. So what we are doing here is we are taking 3 bowls and we're labeling them A, B and C. So in A we have warm water, in B we have the ice cold water, and in C we have the normal water. So you're dipping your right hand in bowl A, which is the warm water, and you're dipping the left hand in bowl B, which is the ice cold water. Okay, for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, you're going to take out the hand and you're going to dip both the hands in bowl C, which is the normal water. Now here, what you will observe is vice versa. Your right hand will feel cold, which was there in bowl A, and your left hand will feel warm, which was there in bowl B. So this shows that hotness and coldness, they are relative terms, and even this activity shows that the sense of touch is not an accurate way to measure temperature. So therefore we need some tools which can be used to measure temperature, right? So thermometer is the device used to measure temperature by means of a substance filled in the graduated tube. So we are going to talk about the thermometers, different types of thermometers, the scale, their units and all. There are various types of scales to measure temperature. 2 reference temperatures are chosen, mostly the melting point of pure ice and the boiling point of pure water. Okay, and the difference between these 2 temperatures are further broken down into certain numbers of division called degrees. Okay, based on this we have 3 temperature scale, that is Celsius, Fahrenheit and Kelvin. Okay, so let's talk about the Celsius temperature scale first. It was invented by the Swedish astronomer Anders Celsius in 1742. It is denoted by degree Celsius. The melting point of pure ice is taken as 0 degree Celsius. So the lowest scale is 0 degree Celsius, and the boiling point of pure water is 100 degree Celsius. So the upper scale is 100 degrees Celsius. Okay, and Celsius thermometer has 100 equal parts. The difference between the 2 extreme point is 100 degrees, that means. Okay, the second one is the Fahrenheit temperature scale, which was invented by Daniel Gabriel Fahrenheit in 1714. It is denoted by degree Fahrenheit. So Fahrenheit temperature has 180 parts, okay, equal parts. Freezing point of water is depicted as 32 degree Fahrenheit, and the boiling point of water as 212 degree Fahrenheit on it. The difference between the 2 extreme point is divided into 180 parts. Okay, so the Fahrenheit thermometer has 180 equal parts, you can see. The third one is Kelvin temperature scale, which was invented by Lord Kelvin in 1848. It is denoted by capital K. So this Kelvin thermometer has again 100 equal parts. The expression which is used to convert Celsius scale to its Kelvin scale is plus 273 Kelvin. Okay, so the lowest scale is 273 Kelvin and the upper scale is 373 Kelvin. Okay, and this Kelvin thermometer, or say the scale, if it's Kelvin scale, it has 100 equal parts again. So I've already explained you this. These are the three scales: Celsius scale, Kelvin scale, and Fahrenheit temperature scale. Okay, so upper scale, that is the boiling point of water, in Celsius is 100 degrees Celsius, in Kelvin is 373 degree Kelvin, in Fahrenheit it is 212 degree Fahrenheit. Okay, the freezing point of water, that is the lower scale, is in Celsius is 0 degree Celsius, in Kelvin temperature scale it is 273 degree Kelvin, or 273 Kelvin you can say, while in Fahrenheit it is 32 degree Fahrenheit. Students, this is interconversion between the scales. So using these formulas you can obtain the values on different scales. Okay, so we have expressions in which you can convert the Fahrenheit scale into the Celsius scale. You have another expression where you can convert the Celsius scale into Fahrenheit scale. The third expression where you can convert the Celsius scale to the Kelvin scale. So just go through the formulas, and on with the help of these formulas you can solve the numerical problems based on temperature scale, which will be covered in the classes.